So this is the pathophysiology. What happens in case of chronic severe AR, that is LV volume overload, because the total amount of volume is equal to not only the systolic volume, but also the regurgitant volume. This results in dilation of the LV, that is also called as eccentric hypertrophy, which is more stretching and multiplication of the myocyte. But end diastolic volume is increased, but end systolic volume is maintained because the contractility is normal. Then the end systolic volume also increases and EF drops. So these are the echo parameters I am telling. This first is the pressure half time. So pressure half time is the time required for the pressure across the regurgitant valve to drop by half the value. So if it is a longer, it means it's a mild AR. If it is shorter, less than 200, it is called severe AR. So we'll come back to the slide and see one by one. So this is the pressure half time. You can see this is a longer regurgitant jet. The half time is 800, 886. So if we take the average, it is around 870, which is mild AR. We can see this, it drops very fast. That means what is the pressure half time? Here is 97, less than 100, it is 100. So average will come to around 100 or 101. So it is you can see the decrescendo nature. Here it is more of a plateau. Here it is a rapid decrescendo. So this is a severe AR, while this is a mild AR. So the other one is a vena contracta. Vena contracta, I'll show the images. This is the regurgitant jet. So the diameter at the beginning of the regurgitant jet, this is taken as a vena contracta. So vena contracta, smaller vena contracta obviously is a lesser regurgitant, which is less than 3. More than 6 mm is taken as a severe aortic regurgitation. So like I said earlier, the jet diameter, aortic regurgitant jet diameter ratio to the LV outflow tract, if it is 30% to 60% or 25 to 65%, it is taken as moderate. Less than 25 is mild and more than 65 is severe. So what is the vena contracta? Where the regurgitant jet starts, while the arising velocity, here the velocity which will come here, arising velocity should be kept to 40 to 50 centimeter. So here this is called the vena contracta. So obviously more than 6, it's a bigger vena contracta, bigger diameter of the regurgitant origin is a severe AR. More than 6, less than 3 is a mild AR. The regurgitant jet is here, where the vena contracta begins. So this is the diameter of the regurgitant jet, while this is the diameter of the LV outflow tract just next to the aortic annulus. So the ratio of this regurgitant jet to the diameter to the LV outflow tract diameter, less than 25 mild, 25 to 65 is moderate, more than 65 is severe AR.